Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and I welcome you all in class 7 physics class, and today I will discuss the first chapter physical quantities and measurement part 4, and this is the last part of this chapter, and this part we will study about the speed. That means the speed which is for the measuring. So what is the speed? Speed of an object. The speed of an object is defined as the distance travelled by an object in a unit time. That means what is distance travelled by an object in a unit time. That means how much distance is covered in a particular time. That is the speed. That means suppose someone is going by the car and he is using suppose he is traveling 80 kilometers in 20 hours. So how we can define its speed? So for this one formula is there, that is speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is denoted with the V. So V is equal to d by t. This is the formula which is utilized for calculation of the speed of an object. Now just see whatever the unit for it. So unit. So as you know, for the distance we are using meter, and for time second. That means the speed of unit is meter per second. But if we want to discuss the higher unit, so it can also be utilized as kilometer per hour. That means both are the unit for the speed. Now let's see whatever the relation for this. As I told you that meter per second and kilometer per hour. So let's see the relation between kilometer per hour and meter per second. Now how we can show over here kilometer per hour. That means we can write it as a kilometer by hour. So for this kilometer it is for 1000 meter, and for hour 36 into 36, that means 3600 second. Okay, now divide this with it. So what will come over here? That means kilometer per hour, it is converted into meter and second. Now when we will divide it, it will come like it. Five by 18 meter per second. That means 1 kilometer per hour is equal to what? It is 5 by 18 meter per second. Now if we want to convert 1 meter per second into the kilometer hour, so 1 meter per second, so it will be now opposite. Now 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So this is the relation between the kilometer and per hour and meter per second. That means if we are going to define the 1 kilometer per hour, that means we have to take kilometer per hour. So we have taken 1000 meter for the 1 kilometer, and for the 1 hour we have taken 3600 second. Now when we have divided it, we get the 15 by 18 meter per second. That means for 1 kilometer we have 5 by 18 meter per second, and for 1 meter per second the opposite 18 by 5 meter per second. So with these two things, we can convert. If the question is numerical is there in the kilometer per hour and answer is asking for the meter per second, so by this we can use it. The next topic is comparing the speed. For comparing speed, I have already written one question over here. Suppose here given a horse covers 80 kilometer. Horse cover 80 kilometer in 2 hours, and a camel covers 120 kilometer in 6 hours. So the question is asking whose speed is highest. Whose speed is highest? So it is very easy. Just put the formula, speed is equal to distance by time. So we are having distance over here. This much is the distance and this one is the time. So for horse speed 80 kilometer by 2 hours. That means what will over here? It is 40 kilometer per hour. And for camel speed, here it is given 120 kilometer in 6 hours. So if we will deduct it, then 20 kilometer per hour. That means the horse covers 40 kilometer per hour, but the camel covers 20 kilometer per hour. So whose speed will be highest? The speed of horse is highest. So this is all about the speed and the formula and the relation between the meter per second and kilometer per hour. So this is the last topic of this chapter. Watch this video, try to understand the things which is going to be explained in this topic, and understand. If any query will be there, so ask in the live classes. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.